Hi, I'm Indre.
I'm Andy.
And we're the co-founders of Paravel. Are we rolling? And we wanted to walk you through some of the difficult decisions that we've been making around what Paravel items to gift for the holidays. All these bags are like children to me, so it's really hard for me to be at a point where I'm picking favorites. So one of the pieces I'm most proud of in the Paravel collection is the carry-on aviator. So when I get to packing, one of the things that I love to pair with this is our packing cubes. And it turns me into a real Marie Kondo. And I'm ready to roll.
The bag I can't live without is the fold-up bag. The coolest thing to me about the fold-up bag is that it starts out like this, turning it from this into a bag that can take you for 2 weeks on a trip. For me personally, there's no way I can finish my gifting list without adding the aviator into it, particularly for me giving these to loved ones, really believing and knowing that they're gonna have the best experience of their life as travelers.